Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create IMDB account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to create an IMDB account, first thing you need to open up your web browser, and once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in www.imdb.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to sign in or sign up interface. Now on this interface, you need to click on create an account, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to the enrollment page. Now first thing, you'll need to provide your first name and the last name, and then the email address, and create a password. Once you're done entering your information, click on create your IMDB account, which is right at the bottom. So then a verification code will be sent through an email. Now you need to open up your email and then enter in the verification. Once you're done entering your verification code, click on create your IMDB account. If you're unable to receive a verification code, then click on resend OTP, or you can simply change your email address by clicking on this option, that is change. And as you can see that I've successfully created an IMDB account. So in this way you can create an IMDB account or sign up into an IMDB account. And now you can enjoy an online database of information related to film, television series, podcasts, home videos, and video games. So in this way you can create an IMDB account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.